What's up, everybody? It's Cami3 Valve here, and today we have a special video. We're going to be doing little stuff to the back end. It's pretty easy and relatively cheap, so it's a good change up here. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys me installing it. Alright, so here is the two parts that I will be installing today. That is the true fiber Decklid right there, and then we also have the Axial, the third brake light that's smoked. So those are two things that we're going to be putting on today. Alright, so here for the first thing, we're just going to throw the Decklid right back on there, so you can see that I have nothing there anymore. My other Decklid fell off, so I'm hoping this one's going to be a little bit better. So you can see that this Decklid right here is held by 3M adhesive. So we're just going to go ahead and remove the ends here. And we're going to go ahead and throw it on there. So hopefully this 3M will hold better than my last one did. Alright, here's the last piece. So again, I'm just going to go ahead and line it up here before completely placing it on. Just going to make sure we get this. So we're going to go one side down first. Slide. And we're just going to it on in, and there we go. So I mean, it's pretty easy. I mean, you really can't beat an installation like that, you know, like a minute here. We're going on a minute. So you can apply as much pressure as you want. It is 3M, so if you ever messed with 3M before, it is pretty sticky, so you gotta make sure you get that first when you line it up that first time. You gotta make sure you get it down nice and good. Stick that up as far as we can so it lines up nice. And yeah, so happy with that. So that's the first thing. So here we go for the smoked brake light. So as you can see here, here is the light itself. There it is. It's a smoked one. It's Axial. And that's theirs, and this is the plug-and-play kit. Obviously, it's just very cheap, not expensive at all. So we're gonna leave that down here, and then basically to do this light, this thing is held up by, I believe it's just 2 pins that you can remove. I think so, at least. Oh yeah, here it is. It's over here. So they're just held in by some prongs. So you can actually just clip those out. I'm gonna use my flathead to do it. So there's the prongs right here. And then once you do that, it'll fall straight down. Well, not exactly straight down, but it'll hang here. It's hanging off that light. So once you get that, I believe this is that third brake light here. And it says it's held in by 2 pins. So there's this light here, the new one. So I believe that just unplugs straight from there, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, and then you're gonna want to pop this out. This is a clip that sits right under the light itself. This light is held by 3 bulbs, if I'm not mistaken. Or, not 3 bulbs, geez, little Pete's 4 latches. As soon as I figure out how to pop that out without hurting my car, I'll be back in here. What's up? Alright, here we are, and we got everything installed. Sorry, I kind of cut it. The light's actually really easy. It's just got 2 clamps on it. I wasn't actually thinking about the 2 clamps as well, so I kind of just tossed it out. So here it is. There's the deck lid. Looks great. The light actually looks really good too. Alright, and then here it is in action. Go ahead. Hit it again. Looks awesome. Yeah, it looks really cool. It's definitely, can you go ahead and put your foot on it? Leave it there? There you go. So there's a little video of the light. Pretty cool LED kind of thing. I kind of dig it. So Decklid, everything turned out awesome. Thank you guys for watching so much. And this has been a little video. Thank you.
Yo, young visionary, quick to leave your speakers buried. Garden to eating, I'm peeping, picking through secret of berries. Grapple the apples, eating the hairy worry. Got too much to carry, very scary to compare me to like half the people near me. Legendary, I think I move fast, so don't blink. Mizzy coke dope, no joke, homie, wink wink. Bling bling, I'm shining like a diamond in the rough. I really think I'm starting to hate like half the